Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson for level 3. This is lesson 15, and this is a revision for what we studied in this course, the first part of the revision. We will start by revising the past simple tense. The past simple tense, and we use it to talk about things that happened in the past and finished. So, how to form this tense? We start with I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or singular noun, plural noun like my father, my parents. After that, we use verb to. We use verb to. Verb to can be with or can end with ed or irregular verbs that don't end with ed. So regular verbs end with ed, like played, like visited, watched, and irregular verbs like went, saw, met, got up, and so on. Okay? So let's change the color here. So as you can see, we use verb to with all pronouns. Either we have singular, plural, he, she, it. It's okay. So we use verb to, ed, or irregular verbs. And to make negative, how to make negative? We use didn't plus verb 1. So we use didn't plus verb 1. So didn't play or infinitive. Didn't play, didn't visit, didn't go. And for question, we use did plus infinitive. This is for question. Okay? So let's make or write an example about that. You can say, for example, I watched TV last night. We went shopping yesterday. To make negative, how to make negative for these two sentences? You say, I didn't watch. I didn't watch TV. Or we didn't go shopping yesterday. This is how to make negative. So we use didn't plus infinitive. Didn't plus infinitive, okay? Now, to make question, you can start the question with did. So you say, did you watch TV yesterday or last night? Did you go shopping yesterday? Or you can say, what did you do last night? Where did you go? Where did you go? So again, we use infinitive. We use infinitive. One more thing in the past simple, we can use was or were. verb to be. So you can say, I was at home last night. We were born in the same city or on the same day. So we use was or were in the past. If we have an adjective or the word born. So you can say he was sick last week. So sick is an adjective. At home, at is a preposition, born. So we have was or were in the past. If we don't have other verbs, we don't have played, visited, went, no. To make negative, I wasn't, he wasn't, we weren't, they weren't. So you can say, I wasn't at the party yesterday. Or you can say, they weren't happy last night. So after wasn't or weren't, we don't have a verb. After wasn't or weren't, we don't have a verb. I wasn't at the party, they weren't happy, but I didn't watch, go, see, meet, visit, play. Didn't plus infinitive. Wasn't or weren't plus preposition plus adjective plus the word born. I wasn't born in Taif, for example. And to make a question, you can use was or were. So you can ask, were you? Not did you. So were you at school yesterday? We can't say, did you at school? No. Did you? We need a verb, infinitive. Did you watch? Did you go? Did you play? Did you see? But were you at school? Were you happy? Were you born? You can say was, sorry, was she born in 1990? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. This is the past simple. And if we compare the past with present simple, we know that in present simple, if we start the sentence with I, we, you, they, we use verb one, no S infinitive, like play, like get up, work, live, and so on. But if we start with he, she, it, singular noun, like Ahmed, like my father, like my teacher, we use S, so plays, gets up, or works. How to make negative? For the first one here, we say, I don't play, I don't get up, and so on. And he, she, it doesn't, but after doesn't, we need infinitive. So doesn't play, doesn't have, doesn't go, and so on. To make question, we ask you with do or does. So you can say, do you live in a house or a flat? Do you live in Taif, Saudi Arabia? Does she work in a bank? So with do or does, we have infinitive. Now, the present continuous. The present continuous, tells us about something that we use now. But present simple, something that happens every day, always. But present continuous, how to form it? We say I am, he, she, it is, we, you, they are. After am, is, are, we use verb ing. Okay, so this is present continuous. After that, we need verb ing. You can say I am playing, watching, reading, and so on. You can use the present continuous for something that's happening now, or to talk about future plans. So you can say, I am traveling tomorrow. What are you doing tonight? I am meeting my friends. And to talk about future, we can use going to. So you say, I am, he, she, it is, she is, we, you, they are. Plus going to, plus infinitive. Here we use infinitive. So here we use going to, I am, she is, there, going to plus infinitive. Going to plus infinitive. So I am going to meet my friends. I'm going to have lunch with my brother, and so on. This is how to use present continuous and going to for future. So present simple, verb 1, play or plays, get up, gets up, work, works. Present continuous, ing, am, is, are, verb ing. Future, am, is, are, going to plus infinitive. And to make a question, it's easy. We can say, what are you doing now? Or what are you doing tonight? You can say, what are you going to do tomorrow or next week? So what are you doing tonight? What are you going to do tomorrow? This is to use or to talk about future plans, okay? So we will have some exercises after this lesson. Try to watch the video and do the exercise. Thanks for joining us, and goodbye.